So good afternoon, this is Michelle Reyes live at 1155 Brickell Bay Drive. This is a 3-2 unit. Asking amount is $2,800. It's for a potential 3 clients that are school teachers relocating to Miami. And this is the wraparound balcony I'm standing on right now. That direction is south. That's looking west there. That would be north, and then you have here east. Okay, so this is the wraparound balcony. I'm going to take you inside. Okay, so this is the living room area and the kitchen. I'm going to do this rather quickly. So you have one room immediately here on the right side from the balcony, and this is the master bedroom. Has a very big bathroom, a very big walk-in closet. We're going to kind of walk in now, look at the rest of the place. Okay, so that's the entrance, that's the door when you come in. So when someone's coming in, first thing you see is the kitchen. Then you see your living area. Then you have one bedroom there, another little hallway, another bedroom down in the end, wash and dryer there. Take a quick look at the second room. The second room is overlooking the water and has a spacious closet there. The bedrooms have rugs. Kitchen has tile floors, and the rest of the unit has wood floors. So this is the third bedroom right here. This bedroom also has a magnificent view from the window and a beautiful view of the pool. And this room also has a walk-in closet. So I think there's one room that's smaller than the 3, so that person might pay less, I guess. So here we go. That's the bathroom here. I want to give you some light. So this is a stand-up shower in the second bathroom here. That's Michelle Reyes. Peace. And this is another closet here. And then you have one more little closet here that's like for storage. Important things about this unit right now is that I noticed that it's missing the dishwasher. It is missing the stove. The microwave has to be put up there. And let's see what you got in here. This is just a pantry. And so this is it. This is 1155 Brickell Bay Drive, Unit 1702. Asking price $2,800. This is Michelle Reyes live. For more information, email beachrealtors@yahoo.com. Thank you for tuning in, and may you have a blessed day.